Michael Rosen's Poetry Workshop. This one's called The Book. Let's have a little think about books. They're kind of mysterious, aren't they? I mean, you open a book and then as you start to read it, it's kind of full of things, isn't it? It's full of pictures and facts and ideas. And when I say pictures, I don't mean that because there are drawings in it. I mean that the words make pictures. And so there are scenes and there's people talking. And it's just there in black and white on the page. So it's almost as if as you read, the people stand up and start talking at you. Yes? So it's like a talking painting. And it's just there in the black and white. Well, I thought that's a great idea to write a poem about, the idea that you open a book and then sort of people jump out. What sort of people? Have a think about that. What sort of people would you make jump out of a book that you could write about? And what would they be doing? Well, this is my version. You have a think about what you might write. So it's called The Book. I opened a book and a hand fell out. I turned a page and heard a shout. I'm lost in a wood, my mother's no good. I couldn't bear to look, so I closed the book. But the girl called out, don't leave me here, I need you to help me. I was cold with fear, so the book stayed shut. I put it back on the shelf, put it out of my mind, but then it opened itself. Right there in front of me, it opened up wide, and I heard a voice say, come inside. The hand that fell out jumped back in the book. The girl inside gave me a long, cool look. And before I knew it, I was in that wood, running and running as fast as I could, 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 running and running as fast as I could. So that's a kind of nightmare, isn't it? So you could write like a nightmare film about opening a book and any kind of ghostly, weird stuff you could have. Or it could be something very funny. All right, all you've got to begin with is, I opened a book. And then you decide who's in the book, what are they doing. You remember what I had? I had a hand just coming out all by itself. So that's quite a kind of horrible idea if you're going for horrible things. It could be an ear came out of the book and said, what am I doing here? Oh, there's a nice little rhyme for you. And out of the book came an ear saying, oh no, what am I doing here? You see? So you could think of something coming out of the book, and then as you close the book, it doesn't make any difference. You hear a voice from inside, let me out the book. And you open the book, I'm here. You see? So there's quite a nice idea. It's as if the book is what we call like a gateway or a portal. You know about portals. You've read maybe, or you know the story of Alice's adventures in Wonderland. What's her portal? It's going down the rabbit hole, isn't it? Well, lots of films and stories have portals in them. The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, and the portal is the wardrobe. You know that, don't you? Well, here the portal is, I opened a book. So there we are. There's an idea for writing a poem. Just begins, I opened a book, and you can have anything or anybody in the book. It could be an animal, a beast, a ghost. You can make it rhyme if you want to. And I made it so I was a bit of a cheat, really. I just ran away at the end, didn't I? Running and running as fast as I could. Running and running as fast as I could. You can borrow that if you like, or make up your own version about trying to get away from the book. It's coming after me, help! So there, that poem's called The Book, and it comes from my book called Michael Rosen's Big Book of Bad Things. So that's a book inside the book. Yes, Michael Rosen's Big Book of Bad Things.